University for your
Yeah, you are strong, and you will get through it. Thank you.
Mental health care, it has been said by everybody that mental health care is equally important as physical health care. And there was a saying that healthy mind is a healthy body. But I want to ask myself on this. And according to my understanding, I can say, I want to say that mental health is more important than physical health. We can see there are times that people who are sad because of the several kind of problems that they face in life, they don't want to speak anything more. They just sit mum and they become abnormal. They don't say anything. They don't even cry. There's no tears in their eyes. And they just sit mum, not speaking anything. I want to tell you, it is very dangerous and it's very harmful if you see someone in a sadness, in their depression that they face in life, that they could not bear anymore, and even they could not cry, they don't speak anything and they just keep mum. That is the time that we need to help them.
Yosno yaki longkan di Sykhd, but by doctor nari ila papai tinggal tunsa syapang kani kapang kapalabu ha kani ka Sngap banta kani ka mental health is universal human right ha ba kani ka pang labu kapang da World Health Organization da ba kibri ba akin long yatlilam ha kani ka team ha ka ba kumno ban yada kumno bangin ba kitu kibri ki badan ya kum kani ka jingpang kinyo ya ka hok ka jongki nama ba ta nama ba ki dan ya kum kani ka jingpang kimdei ban dono ya ka hok ka jongki kimdei ban sha yu rat kani kimdei ban sha e ben kumbalong kiwi ki bariyo kani kiwi ki ban riyo ha kapatay kini banyo ay taki basic human rights lani kata kahok long bariyo man bariyo.
Mental health is not a weakness. Alright? Please keep that in mind. That if you face any problems, if you have any anxiety, if you have any stress issue, because we can see in today's world where everyone is so busy and we are tied up with our assignments, academic works, and then with so much pressure, exams pressure, we do have stress. And this stress can lead to a mental health problem. So therefore, dear students, I encourage each one of you today that whenever you have or you show if there's a sign that you have a mental health issue, please do not hesitate and please do not be ashamed to approach your teachers, to approach your friends, your family, and to talk openly about it.